What if your dream home wasn't newly built, but a centuries-old landmark brought back to life? Imagine stepping into a historic building that now hums with modern, eco-friendly living. We're about to unveil how architectural brilliance is transforming forgotten structures into stunning, sustainable spaces, proving the past and future can coexist in perfect harmony. In 2026, the instinct to demolish and rebuild is being challenged like never before, as architects, developers, and communities confront the environmental, economic, and cultural costs of starting from scratch. Around the world, cities such as Paris and Tokyo are re-evaluating their building stock, recognizing that every structure holds embodied carbon, local memory, and untapped potential. Tearing down a building doesn't just erase walls, it erases the energy already invested in materials, labor, and time. Adaptive reuse, retrofitting, and smart renovation are proving to be powerful alternatives, reducing waste while meeting modern performance standards. In an era shaped by climate urgency and resource scarcity, architects are discovering that transformation often carries more value than replacement. The future of architecture isn't only about what we build next, but about how thoughtfully we evolve what already stands, because sometimes the most sustainable building is the one that's already there. Landscape, working with existing buildings demands a careful balance between structural limitations, historical preservation guidelines, and the creative ambition to blend old and new into a cohesive vision. When architects intervene in heritage structures, like those protected under frameworks inspired by documents such as the UNESCO World Heritage Standards or the principles of the International Council on Monuments and Sites, they must respect original materials, proportions, and cultural narratives while upgrading safety and performance. Structural constraints such as load-bearing masonry walls, aging foundations, and limited ceiling heights often challenge modern program demands, pushing designers toward innovative engineering solutions rather than demolition. The art lies in creating contrast without conflict, introducing glass, steel, and contemporary forms that highlight rather than overpower historic textures. Successful projects reveal that architecture is not about freezing time, but about layering it thoughtfully, allowing past and present to coexist in meaningful dialogue. Ultimately, blending old and new is not a compromise, it is a design philosophy that honors history while confidently building toward the future. Rapidly evolving urban landscape, architecture is no longer judged solely by aesthetics, but by the long-term environmental and economic value it brings to residents and the wider community. utility bills, healthier indoor air quality, and resilient infrastructure directly benefit homeowners, while increased property values and local job creation stimulate the broader economy. Environmentally responsive buildings also reduce strain on public utilities and waste systems, creating a ripple effect of savings for municipalities. Ultimately, investing in sustainable architecture is not an added expense but a strategic decision that strengthens financial stability, environmental responsibility, and community well-being for generations to come. In the heart of the urban core, an old industrial factory once defined by steel beams and echoing machinery has been reimagined into a vibrant residential loft complex that celebrates both heritage and contemporary living. Inspired by adaptive reuse movements, the design preserves exposed brick walls, original timber trusses, and expansive factory windows that flood each unit with natural light. Double-height ceilings and open-plan layouts create flexible living spaces, while shared courtyards, rooftop gardens, and co-working lounges foster a strong sense of community among residents. Industrial textures are softened with warm materials and energy-efficient upgrades, ensuring comfort without erasing character. The result is more than housing, it is an experience where history becomes part of daily life, proving that with vision and care, even the most utilitarian structures can evolve into inspiring places to call home. As we look toward the future of architecture, adaptive reuse is emerging not just as a design strategy, but as a powerful vision for building resilient, character-rich communities that endure for generations. Across cities, former warehouses, schools, and industrial sites are being transformed into housing, cultural hubs, and mixed-use developments that preserve local identity while meeting contemporary needs. By retaining embodied carbon, conserving materials, and strengthening neighborhood continuity, adaptive reuse reduces environmental impact while reinforcing social fabric. These projects tell stories through brick, timber, and steel, reminding residents of where they came from even as they move forward. More importantly, they foster economic resilience by revitalizing underutilized districts rather than expanding outward. In conclusion, adaptive reuse is not about nostalgia, it is about intelligently layering time, ensuring that our cities evolve with depth, sustainability, and a sense of belonging that future generations can inherit and enrich.